Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's video demonstrating how you can use your resource library found in Pencil Spaces. You can utilize a range of mathematics and physics tools found directly within your app library through your resource library. The list of tools discovered within your app library continues to grow. Feel free to reach out to our team to request any further tools that you do not currently see within the resource library. So to open up your resource library, you're going to start by navigating to your app library. And here you can either scroll for your resource library, or you can search it using the search bar provided. Once I've found my resource library, I'm just going to click on it. As you can see here, we currently have mathematics and physics tools that I can utilize on my whiteboard to add visuals and interactive tools in my lessons. The tools are divided into separate categories. For example, in mathematics, we have numbers and fractions, geometry, algebra and calculus, and so on. Same goes for physics. You can see that the tools are divided into separate categories, making them easy to find. So as you can see here, I currently have a web viewer open up on my whiteboard, and I have it on Desmos. So this is a time I can pull in a math manipulative found directly within my resource library. If I'd like, for example, for a student to calculate the angle in between the two lines that I currently have here on Desmos, I'm going to select geometry. I'm going to look at the geometry tools. And then I can select the corresponding tool I would like my students to utilize. So for example, I'm going to put a protractor on my whiteboard. So this is an interactive tool. You can readjust the size, move it around to ensure that you're calculating the proper angle. You can then go ahead and lock the object, change the layering. There are plenty of different opportunities for how you can interact with the tools on the whiteboard. So for example, I'm going to lock this protractor because I've lined it up with my angle, and now I can review it with my students. So there are numerous tools that you can apply to your lesson depending on the subject that you are teaching. Once again, these are interactive tools and visuals to amplify your lesson experience and spark interactive learning within your classroom. For example, let's say I'm teaching a physics lesson on thermodynamics and I would like to get a visual to add to my whiteboard. I can just click on it and directly place it on my whiteboard at any time to provide my students with better visuals of lesson content. This pairs very well with the whiteboard tools provided. You can draw directly on top of the visuals, use them within your lesson, and interact with them the way that best fits your curriculum. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.